Wait, say it again, say it again. You gotta get it on camera what you just said.
Huh? Do what again?
We're gonna remember this one day. Alright, say it again.
Like, we're moving all these cars from Alan's house. And so this is the process for the future house of Saucy Motive.
Alright, so little quick intro. Car. I'm gonna make an announcement. Just 1 second. Alright, so right now we're in the process of clearing out the garage so we can get the Suzuki in here. Get those mud flaps installed. So a little short announcement before we get the video started. We plan to upload at least twice a week this summer. Now I'm gonna move this in. And so I believe we made a video, but we took it down. But so we're making the announcement again that we're gonna be uploading twice a week this summer.
We didn't take it down.
Yeah,
we might upload it later on for bloopers, but
yeah, it was pretty funny, but it didn't make sense. But so yeah, I'm about to move the Suzuki into the garage. If I get this show on the road.
what is Jason doing? My Jeep is not manual.
Rally Suzuki Part 1. Mood.
Alright guys, we are gonna start installing these rally armor flaps. It's 9:40 at night. It's raining.
9 to 5.
Alright, so like we said, we have 3 bolts over here on one side, but we think that's not gonna be very stable for the flap. I have 1 over here and 2 down here. We're planning on making 1 over there, but we can't reach it, so we might have to lift the car and take the tire out to try and do a hole. But first we were gonna test fit it, because we gotta mark where we're gonna do the holes over here. So, yeah. We can actually use one of these. What happened?
No.
It's a washing.
Yeah.
I can't see shit. Yo, don't waste the battery.
Don't waste what?
The battery.
You don't fucking break
It's 10:43.
Dude, it's literally bending.
And we still haven't installed 1 Mudflap. We're still trying to take off the stock mudguard. We might start doing a giveaway on diapers, I guess. Sauce manifold, so. But we can be giving that away too, so I think.
The more you try. Yeah, we need a
Intake manifold.
Oh my god.
Comes with the gaskets and all that, so yeah. We're gonna be giving that away if y'all want it, or I don't know.
Alright, that's good, that's good. Now do the other 4 or 3. What is that? I can't count. I'm dyslexia.
Oh, you think I have a 5 lug now?
Huh?
You think I have a 5 lug pattern?
Damn. Not with the hammer. There you go.
Now drag it up.
Anyways, guys, it stopped raining.
Alright guys, so we just got smacked with some knowledge and we realized, we stopped being idiots and we realized that we had to lift the car and take off the wheel in order to easily access all these screws and bolts. And now we're going to put the mud flap on quicker.
Yes.
the process will be smoother.
Smoother. We're doing this for the views.
And I asked Ale to get the Sharpie and he gets the camera and stuff.
That might work.
Naruto Masters and Ninetales to Kabuto.
So how you started working for Kabuto?
Because Kabuto took over.
I don't watch Naruto and they're talking about it.
Everyone was like, okay.
You should put that in the launch so everybody knows that you watch Naruto. Alright,
They watch Naruto, I watch Dragon Ball Z, so.
Bro?
Yeah. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. I can take a bow for Jason. That'll look good.
Oh my god, I dropped it! Oh my goodness gracious!
Says Rally Armor right there.
Wait a second.
They're all the same, Basin.
I don't get it.
The numbers. The numbers, Basin. The same. They just look. They're all the same.
Oh.
They're all the same. There's no front. There's no front or back. There's only left or right. Alright guys, so we just put the first mud flap on. I think it was a success. Putting back the tart. Looks kind of clean.
Be Meteor tires for the Suzuki. Agree, Jason? Heard that?
Today's recap, we did the back of the car, the back flaps, and we're gonna do the front tomorrow, hopefully. Yeah, tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so we're back at it again. It's 12:03. Hopefully we'll be finishing by 1. We only need the front mud flaps. It's not raining anymore. It's kind of cloudy. We have terrible lighting right now. We only have that post right there, but the garage is occupied right now. Any thoughts?
What? My car. My thoughts. Included. Space. Time. Suzuki. No, but yeah, I'm really hyped. It looked.
Alright, Basin light. Thanks. Alright, so the front is gonna be easier because we already have the holes measured right here, so we just have to poke the hole with the baby cutter.
Calm down.
But anyways, we're just trying to align the front with the with the back flaps. I don't think we show you guys how the back looks, but it's right there. Rally Armor. Yeah, where is Josh?
Today's special. We lost Josh.
We lost Josh.
Yeah, in the world. You'll hear his car.
Anyways, here's my Subaru.
Can you tell us where you were?
I was at McDonald's.
Any thoughts, Ale?
Alright guys, so so we just it came out pretty good. We bolted the flap. We literally
Is it tight?
Yeah, it's very tight. Armor. Alright. Next site, let's go.
Yeah, it should be good.
We're right now measuring the front.
Yeah, it should be good, but I feel like it has to be a little higher. Or am I wrong?
So this process should not take you guys 2 days. but
Anybody out there has better tools than us?
we're doing them really late at night, and as you can see, I'm still in my work uniform. And yeah, I mean, if we probably did this during the day, it'd probably be done in like an hour. But yeah, let's get to it.
Anyways, we just finished all 4 Mudflaps. Again, like Josh said, for you guys, it doesn't have to take 2 days, but yeah. And we're filming at night, so, and the other day was raining too, so Florida weather.
Just walked on the car like 4 times.
Shout out to Rally Armor.
If this is the first Suzuki with rally armor mudflaps or any modification in general, I feel like it's the first. But if not, send us on at Saucy Motive on our DM on Instagram. Be sure to check out that and let us know. That's technique, Josh.
Yeah, all I wanted to do a weird ass technique. Oh guys, let's put it in between.
What weird ass technique?
Huh?
We just did it in between and it worked, right?
No, in the back, and it was impossible.
No, it wasn't. It was
And then
possible.
it took us an hour to realize that you had to take the wheel off to get.
It was possible. It was possible though.
No, dude, that was impossible. Cause that thing. No, he said we had to cut.
What is this, a dentist? Oh, not a dentist, an eye appointment?
Eye appointment.
Eye appointment.
You heard this? I just noticed.
Yep, we're a low battery, but thank you guys for watching. Please leave any type of comment and feedback. And feedback. We would really appreciate that. Like and subscribe if you haven't still. And we'll see you guys later.
They figure me a dead motherfucker, but I'm just a motherfucker that wanna be dance. No level with the lead in his head, turning me into his red. Bitches use me as a fucking best friend. I'll be the silhouette of a sunset, smoke a cigarette while I compress. My depression stepping to the pilot, progressive lights.